It's K-Drama Fanatics here and welcome back to my channel. CN Blues Jung Young-hwa confirmed to star in a new mystery film. CN Blues leader and actor Jung Young-hwa is returning to the big screen for the first time in 7 years. On June 18, 2024, FNC Entertainment announced that Jung Young-hwa has been cast in the movie Favorite Restaurant and has started filming. Favorite Restaurant is a heartwarming and enjoyable mystery film where individuals gathered based on mutual recognition and trust to find solutions. In the film, Jung Young-hwa portrays Cha Ki-young, who after navigating his troubled teens and 20s, returns to his hometown of Judok as an adult to open an internet cafe. He embodies a mysterious character seeking a fresh start in his hometown, aiming to leave his past behind. Jung Young-hwa is set to return to the big screen following his last film, Cook Up a Storm, in 2017. Previously, Jung Young-hwa showcases his acting range in The Package, Brainworks, and Sell Your Haunted House. Renowned for playing diverse roles across romance, thrillers, and comedy, his comeback is eagerly awaited. The said film is scheduled for release in 2025. Stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, you can watch Jung Young-hwa in his latest drama, Brainworks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.